We've implemented a feature where wanting to auto connect and you have lots and lots of different systems on the layout that are very close to each other, it's a means of isolating the system that you specifically want to connect into. So here we can see a situation. We've got a left-hand system and a right-hand system, and we have a collection of pipes from two different systems fairly close to a couple of radiators. Now ordinarily, if we use this single auto connect emitters when you've only got one system, likely as not, depending on what we enter, these radiators might connect into a run of pipes that we don't ordinarily want them to connect into. So what we need to do here is to isolate the system we want to connect into. So for example, if I want to connect this radiator into the right hand circuit, all I need to do is use the auto connect emitters by system option, and then on the command line at the bottom it says select the system. So all I'm effectively doing is selecting the emitter or the flow pipe. So in selecting that radiator there, and just to prove a point, if I put two meters in there, it's still only going to connect in this radiator here, and then ignores this one because this one isn't part of this system. And then I would do the same on this system. Go and select the radiator from the left hand system and connect that in. If you consider each of these grid squares is 2 meters on the old method of doing it with just a single system, likely as not, both radiators might well be connected into the pipe that you don't ordinarily want to connect them into. So it allows you a means of isolating a system to use the auto connect function without doing it globally. You might have decided to route some pipes by hand to some radiators, and you don't want those being upset elsewhere when you make the change. The same principle applies for the public health and the ductwork as well.